Hello everyone and welcome to this week's edition of A Colourful Life with me, Helen Alice Johnson, artist. And as you can see behind me, this week it really is very colourful. I've been completely inspired this week by our garden in France, which has got a complete explosion of primroses in it, and yeah, that has come out in all my artwork. Next job is to take these paintings back to the UK, where they will be framed and ready for sale shortly. Not just the primrose paintings that are going back to the UK. As you can see, I've got all these too. One of them I painted this time, but the rest of them I painted in January, and we literally didn't have the space in the vehicle to take them back, so they're coming back this time. Paintings have got a really long journey ahead of them, with an hour and a half journey to the actual ferry crossing, 6-hour ferry crossing, and then about 280 miles all the way back up to Cumbria. So it is incredibly important that they are wrapped well. Fortunately, I've got a very large roll of bubble wrap. That's most of the paintings wrapped and ready to make the journey home. There are some others that I have not yet wrapped, and that's because I'm waiting for them to dry. Next stop for me is Alston in Cumbria, where I will be hosting open studios over the Easter weekend, and on top of that doing a live workshop of egg decorating on the Easter Saturday afternoon, which would be fabulous to see you there. If you want to join us for that, check out my website and book on there. Next week's episode of A Colourful Life will come from Cumbria, and in the meantime we will be travelling back. I hope that you have a wonderful week wherever you are. Enjoy the sunshine.